The next thing we're going to want to do is set up our website so that it's ready to use this Azure function that we just created. And so if we go here and just type a note right now and try to store it, it should not work. It gives us an error. And the reason being is that the code that we have does not actually call an actual function. And so let's go to the static files and open up this folder in Visual Studio Code, and we'll go to the actual Azure table.js. So as you can see in here, these things just need to be replaced with the actual endpoint of the function. And where we find that is, let's see, this is find stored note. We want to go to store user note, and so we want to replace this with our actual endpoint. And where we will find that is here. So you just go back to the actual function that we're looking at and click get function URL, and this is the actual endpoint that we're going to be using. So I'll copy that, and how we can test that too is I could go to Postman, just paste in that URL, and I'm going to need to do a post, and post in the body. I'm going to do raw JSON, and what we need is a note test from Postman. I'm going to send that, and it's success, and it's HXPR. And go take a look in here, refresh this, and as you can see that it got added here. And so this is our endpoint that we need to add to our code here. I'm gonna go in here, paste that in. I'm gonna save that, and since it's on our local file, what we need to do is just update our Azure storage blob with the newest file. And so there are better ways of doing this, DevOps ways of doing it, but the quickest way for me to do it, to demonstrate right now, is just click it and drag it over and just replace this one. So I'll apply that, and let's see if that works. Go back here, refresh this. That should pull the most recent update, trying from the website. Store my note. It's still giving me an error, access origin. Oh, so we still need to establish a cross-origin resource sharing. Because it's coming from this unknown origin, what we need to do is go to the storage accounts and go to the storage account that it's associated with. Go down to tables, and then you see this cores, across origin resource sharing. We just need to add the actual application that it's coming from, which is, let's see, it was, so we will do, it's coming from this API here. So I'll add that in, and I'll allow get, let's do post and delete, and I'll just allow these headers here and add that. It has successfully been updated, and let's give that a try again. So I'll refresh this and test from the website, store my note. Still giving us an error. So let's take a look at that.